Are you looking for a practical baby care kit to keep all your essentials at hand? In this video, we've selected the most complete and reliable models. All links are in the description below. To make the right choice, pay attention to the number of accessories, the quality of materials, and the ease of organization. We've chosen the 3 best baby care kits that combine comfort, hygiene, and practicality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to discover more useful products for new parents. Here are the 3 best baby care kits, from the most affordable to the most comprehensive. First, the WXA Baby Care Kit is a complete 14-in-1 grooming set designed to meet every newborn's daily care needs. It includes a baby nail file, scissors, clippers, comb, hairbrush, tweezer, nasal aspirator, finger toothbrush, medicine dropper, measuring spoons, and a portable EVA storage bag. Each tool is made from high-quality stainless steel and BPA-free plastic, ensuring full safety for your baby's delicate skin. The soft bristle hairbrush gently massages the scalp while keeping your baby's hair tidy and smooth. Lightweight and compact, this kit is easy to organize and ideal for home or travel. With thoughtful details and durable materials, the WXA Baby Care Kit helps parents care for their infants safely, comfortably, and conveniently every day. Next, the Safety First Deluxe Baby Care Kit provides everything parents need for newborn grooming and healthcare in one organized package. With 25 essential items, including a toothbrush, nasal aspirator, comb, brush, and nail clippers, it ensures gentle and safe daily care. The ergonomic nail clippers allow precise trimming, while the soft brush and comb smooth baby's hair without irritation. Housed in a practical clutch-style carrying case with transparent compartments, it keeps every tool accessible and neatly arranged. Perfect for use at home or on the go, this kit combines quality, safety, and convenience. The Safety First Kit is an ideal companion for new parents who want reliable and easy-to-use essentials to keep their baby clean, healthy, and comfortable. Finally, the Momcozy Elite Baby Kit is a premium all-in-one care set that combines grooming, health, and cleansing essentials for complete newborn care. It features an electric nail trimmer with a gentle 3,500 rotations per minute speed, a 3-level electric nasal aspirator, a heated tummy wrap, thermometer, medicine pacifier, teether, and soft brushes for bath and cradle cap care. Designed for comfort and efficiency, it offers quiet operation with soothing lights and lullabies to calm babies during cleaning. The silicone brushes and curved comb adapt perfectly to the baby's scalp, while the finger toothbrush ensures gentle oral hygiene. BPA-free materials and ergonomic designs make each item safe and easy to use. Ideal as a baby shower or registry gift, the Momcozy Elite Kit stands out as a thoughtful, gender-neutral set that simplifies every aspect of baby care. You can find the links to the products in the description below. Don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time for another product comparison.